Have you ever got a headache from trying to read a spaghetti line chart like this? In this video, I'll show you how to create a responsive, mobile-friendly, and headache-free grid of charts. If you'd like to follow along, there's a link for a worksheet underneath the video. Here you can see we've got a stacked bar chart, and it comes with an interactive legend. So if you have this embedded on your website, a user will be able to select the bars they want to see. Another option is to turn grid mode to grid of charts. Now for lots of charts, I find this much easier to read. It works really well with different screen sizes, so on mobile or on desktop. It works with up to 50 columns, and it works on lots of Flourish templates. It even works with Sankeys. Let's have a look at another example. So in exercise 5, we've got lots of different lines and it's really hard to read. We can fix this by turning grid mode to grid of charts. Now, while this is pretty good, I would prefer these were all the same color. And we can do this by going to Colors, Edit Color Palette, and then I'm just going to delete all of these except for one. I think that looks better. Finally, in exercise 6, we've got a chart that looks a bit broken. So let's fix it. First, let's go to the Data tab. So we can see here that we've got fossil fuels, nuclear, and renewables as columns. And these will be the stacks in our area chart. We've also got a years column. And then we've got a countries column, which at the minute we're not using. And in fact, for this chart, we have got lots of different stacked area charts for different countries. So if we switch grid of charts on normally, it's going to just create a chart for fossil fuels, one for nuclear, and then one for renewables, because these are our columns. So first let's do that. We go to Preview, Grid Mode, and Grid of Charts. And we can see this looks a bit broken. It's not what we want. So let's go back to the Data tab and go to Charts Grid and click A. So this is a way of stacking the grid of charts in a different way. So it's going to split our charts by countries here. So now if we go back to preview, we can see this looks a lot better.